All right, today we're doing some blacktop repair. We're using perma patch, putting it down about 2 inches, and I got 10 bags. And we tamp it down by hand, and we'll see how it goes. I've been leaving it about 1/4 of an inch above the existing blacktop. All right, not terribly exciting. We've got this all down and tamped. I think it's going to work out okay. The drain is lower than the blacktop. That'll all be grass over there anyway. All right, not super exciting, but the blacktop is done. We're going to move on to the trencher. All right, we're going to do some trenching today. I got this dingo with the trencher attachment on there, and this took me about 14 minutes to do. I got to clean it up a little bit, but should make my life a little bit easier today. This thing works pretty good. It picks up, there's a brick, and there's a pretty good sized rock, and cleans out the trench pretty good. I got to get a hoe or something like that to kind of smooth it out before we put some pipe in there, but overall not too bad. I got my stepfather, Mr. Paul, coming down to help me today, so you may see him in the video.
What do you got to measure?
Nothing. What I'm going to do is, like, I think we can just level it out, and then I can just put a level on it. It doesn't have to be that crucial, I don't think. I had to spin it around and do this top side, so it dumped the dirt this way, because the hole, I was going to lose it. I thought I was going to be able to bridge it with the tracks. Couldn't do it. No. So that's how I ended up with this little bit of a mess here. Does it look like it's sloped pretty good? I mean, it don't look bad to me. So we'll have to put a catch basin here, right in this general vicinity. And then we'll have to dig from here to there, because I'm going to put a T in right there. And then we'll start a 50-foot run right here. Oh, good. It's a full bubble off up here. Got to take more out right here. Right about where that level is, there's a little hump. You guys are going to be so dirty today. All right, let's see. That's better. Full bubble. I think that's good. We're good there. We're not good here, so we got a hump right here. Okay, something like that is what it's going to look like. So we probably ought to put something on top of that little hump right there. Yeah. That's way better. Even could go a little bit more. Something like that.
Dig it down a little bit there. You're going to turn it more.
Okay. Good enough. There. This should go like that. What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
What's wrong with that right there? Nothing. Should work. All right, we got the downspout in, we got the T in, we got a catch basin because that's where the end of the pipe brought us. We got good fall all the way up to here. We got dogs everywhere. We got this going in here. This will just get buried like that. I think it's time to put some water in here and see if it works. What do you think, Paul? All right, Paul says try it. All right, water's on. Let's see what that looks like. We don't have the best water pressure here, so it might take a little while. Let me set my timer just to see. All right, we'll see how long it takes to get down there. I don't know, it went together pretty good, I think. So right now we got probably 100 feet of pipe. 100 feet of pipe and 2 catch basins, a T and a 45 installed. I can hear water coming, I think.
There it is.
There it is. Not bad, not bad, not bad. 1 minute, 16 seconds. I gotta shut the water off. All right, well that's kind of a relief. At least we know it works. At least we know the water's getting down there. What do you think, Paul? We're in good shape. We're gonna have to work in some mud now, but that's all right. We already trenched down to here, so we're in pretty good shape. Wow, it's flowing really well. It's flowing really well. All right, I guess we're just gonna trench. We gotta go 50 feet, which is the length of the rolls of pipe that I have. We'll go 50 feet, put another catch basin in, go another 50 feet, put another catch basin in. We got 150 feet to get all the way down there. And I think we might even be 20 feet short. I think it's like 170 feet. I don't know, I've measured it twice, I can't remember nothing. All right, let's get trenching. Oh, we're still filming too. Oh shit. All right, there we are. There's a trench all the way up there. Got a lot of rocks in here. Not too bad though. That's pretty good digging. We got a natural fall, probably 5 to 6 feet. I think it'll work out all right. Go ahead and start laying out this pipe. Got 150 feet here, just 3 50-foot rolls. All right, we got 150 feet of pipe in the ground now, and this is where it stops, and I'm this short. But I think what I'm gonna do is just put some rocks in here, some stone, just let the water flow out of here and let Mother Nature do its thing. I might take the loader and just come in at an angle and just make like a little swale or something, but I'm not gonna add any more pipe to this. We've got 150 feet in the ground from the garage to here. We got catch basins in every 50 feet, so there's the first one. We got the second one, and I'm gonna put some risers on there, give us access for a clean out or to catch surface water. And then as we come up here, we've got our T going into our downspout. We got a catch basin there, and then we continue on up to the front of the garage, and we got our Y here. You've seen that part already, and then there you go. So it's time to run some water through it and see how it goes. I'm gonna set my timer again, I think. All right, we'll go ahead and start the timer and see how we do. Okay, Paul, we got water flowing. That's all this extra pipe we have. It's like maybe 4 feet. This is a big job off of my mind, I'll tell you. With winter coming, I really waited too long to do it, but we're gonna be done. Probably have to rake it out and make it look somewhat presentable. Okay, we're at 1 minute and 4 seconds. Okay, he's got water at the first clean out. All right, we got water now, almost 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 45 seconds. There it is. Okay, that's perfect. So we're about 6.5 minutes, but like I said, we're not really feeding it with much. And I think we got a couple high spots there we're gonna look at. All right, we're gonna go put the risers on the catch basins. We're gonna see if we can't fix a couple of the high spots that we found here, and we'll be right back. Straight, that'll work. All right, and it just started to rain a little bit. It's not gonna last. Got blue sky behind me. We got this coming in from the east, which doesn't make any sense, but we got all of our risers on, all of our grates in. Mr. Paul's up there backfilling. We're in pretty good shape for the shape we're in. All right, we just got back from bringing the trencher back to the rental place. We ended up getting everything cleaned up pretty decent. We got the catch basin there. We're connected to the downspout. We've got it raked up. We're gonna have to rake it up a few more times, but all in all, it looks pretty good. This is for groundwater, but it's also gonna be used for a clean out. And then 50 feet away, groundwater and like a clean out access. We're not gonna get a lot of groundwater here, I realize that, but it's relatively small money to put those in, so I thought it would be a good idea. And again, we gotta do a little cleanup down here. Down here at the end of the pipe, all I did was I took the loader and I just kind of dished out an area and put some rocks there. Took us about 4.5 hours. Two of us, we did 150 feet of pipe, so it actually wasn't terrible, but it did go pretty well, but it was a lot of work for sure. So like I said, we just got to rake it up, make it look nice. We're going to finish some little odds and ends up near the house, near the garage, where the blacktop repair is. We'll get it all looking good, and hopefully we get a rainstorm pretty soon. I'd like to see this thing in action after all this work. All right, we'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up and try to get everything back to normal. I think this is a total success for water. Now all of my downspouts are going to daylight. No more water issues. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you. You're better than most. Thanks for watching.